Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be showing you all how I install and style this gorgeous U-part wig from True and Pure Texture. This is their Relax Natural True Part in 24 inches. Their True Parts could be worn with no leave out, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install with the littlest leave out possible. This is the hair in its natural state. It's freshly washed, dried of course, and it's a beautiful texture. It's exactly like my hair when I blow it out, so I love that. But what I'm going to do, I want some curls to the hair, so I'm going to start by sectioning some small sections, and I'm going to be using a curling iron to curl the hair. I don't leave it on heat for a long time because this is only me prepping for a flexi rod set. Doing this allows the hair to last really long and to also take form of the flexi rod. So while it's hot, I'm going to take my flexi rod and I'm going to bend it like a horseshoe, and on one side I'm just going to wrap the hair around. Like I said, this is going to help the curls last longer, and it's also going to help the hair take the flexi rod form, and it's going to turn out super beautiful. I absolutely love how the curls turn out every time I do this. So I'm just going to be repeating the same process all over the hair. And also, the reason why I bend the flexi rod into a horseshoe is because I don't have that many flexi rods, so I want to save some space and use up as much flexi rod as I can in one. Once I'm done with the curling iron and the flexi rod set, I'm going to go in with a light spray and spray it all around. This will provide a light hold, and I'm going to leave the hair just like this for a full 24 hours. Now I'm going to be prepping my hair, and I'm going to be sectioning off the smallest leave out possible, and I'm just going to be putting that to the side. Now I'm just going to be braiding my hair. I'm not an expert and I have nails, so it makes it a little difficult to braid hair, but honestly you just need your hair to be flat so that the true part could lay perfectly on top of your hair. I always get told, why are you wearing wigs? Why are you wearing extensions when you have so much hair? The truth is, y'all, change is good. And also, wigs and extensions protect the hair. Sometimes I don't be wanting to deal with my hair, so the wig comes in handy. It looks exactly like my hair. I don't have to worry about dealing with my own hair. I have a lot of hair, and also it protects my hair from heat and all of that bad stuff. So I am so for extensions and wigs. I love them. Okay, so now I'm going to be tucking away the braids so that they're not hanging on the back of my neck. I'm just going to be pinning them with a bobby pin to my head. So after a full 24 hours, I am going to be unraveling the hair from the flexi rods, and y'all, look how beautiful this hair came out. Once I unravel it, I'm going to be separating the curls, and as you guys can see, this curl pattern is completely different from the curl that the curling iron was providing. I don't know, it's something about the combination of the curling wands and the flexi rods and leaving it set for 24 hours. It just creates this beautiful curl. So a closer look at the true part, it has the clips on the top for extra secureness on both sides as well. So it has a super flat edge. As I mentioned before, you could choose not to leave any hair out. The edge is super flat, so it gives off that natural look. So if you chose to not leave any hair out, you could do that as well, and it would look just as natural as it would with the leave out. So I'm just securing the true part with my hair, and I'm tucking the sides underneath the braid, and y'all, this wig does not go anywhere. I could literally get in the pool and it's gonna stay secured. And not to mention, it's super easy to install. Now that I got the hair installed in my hair, I'm going to be unraveling my little section of leave out, and I'm going to be blending it with the hair. I'm going to start by blow drying it to give it the blowout straight look, and then I'm going to go in with a curling iron and wrap the hair around it. Be sure to use heat protectant on your natural hair, of course. And y'all, look at that. It looks exactly like the True Part hair. It's literally a true match. And that is the final look. Look how beautiful, gorgeous, healthy this hair is, especially these curls. It blends so well with my hair. I am obsessed with this hair. And they also have different textures on their website, so definitely check them out. But this one is one of my absolute favorite textures that they have. It's so versatile, and I just love that it matches my own hair. I'm just obsessed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will catch you guys on the next video.